Today we're making Lamb Kleftifko. In one dish, put him 2 big baking paper, 2.5 kilo lamb shoulder, and ask your butcher, cut him up chunks like this. And put him inside the dish. Get 4 patates, cut them to 4 pieces. And don't worry, already I washed them. Now put them with the lamb, 1 cup Greek olive oil inside. Squeeze in the juice from 3 lemons, Greek ones. Now mix him up a little bit, but be careful, don't want to rip in the paper. Put inside 37 grams sea salt, 7.5 grams black pepper, 2 grams Greek oregano, and 7.5 grams paprika. Get some fresh rosemary, clean them up, put them inside. Mix them up so the herbs and spices, they're going everywhere. Get 1 onion, cut him into pieces, and put him inside. Bloody hurt my eyes. 1 whole garlic, clean him, cut them up a little bit. Now put them inside also. For the top, get 1 bunch fresh thyme, and put inside 5 fresh bay leaves. Now get 1/3 cup water, tip him down the side. Hold him up the paper so it's nice and close. Put some alfoil also. Always we're doing the cross. Put him in the oven, 175 degrees Celsius. After 4.5 hours, we take her out. Carefully, we're gonna undress her. You see how soft and easy it is? She's bloody beautiful, mate.